Hello guys, so in this video we will be going to see how we can push data to AWS IoT Core and also subscribe data from AWS IoT Core. Okay, so what we are going to do, first of all we are going to create a device. After that we are going to attach policies like that will provide permission to this device to push and subscribe data, and then after we are going to download certificates, and then we will quickly jump over to Python script that has the capability to publish and subscribe data. Okay, so let's quickly, I think once first of all you have to open the console and jump over to AWS IoT. Then after we have to click on things and we have to create a thing. Okay, so there is option to create single thing and multi things. I think I wanted to create a single thing only. Then after we have to enter a thing name, so let's create with name demo thing. Then after we have, I think, additional configuration like thing type. So thing type is basically, let's say you have multiple temperature sensor, so you can create a temperature device, and then after like kind of attach all the sensor 1 to 100 inside this thing type. Then after we have searchable thing attribute, so let's say you can attach attribute with name location with the devices, and then after you can query based on those device. Like let's say your location is inside this set of coordinates, or maybe uh, let's say for a temperature value you can list it as well, like if temperature is less than 100, kind of you can query based on those searchable things attribute. Okay, thing group is basically, let's say you have created a building and all those devices inside the building, you can attach that inside the thing groups only, right? So billing group is basically to segregate the costing of all those devices, and then after package and version, I think it's self-explanatory, right? Then after we have device shadows, so I think let's not discuss this for now, let's create no shadow only. Then after next, so it kind of, it is asking how you want to create device certificate. So I will go with the auto generate a new certificate method. Click on next. Then after, it is asking for to attach the policies. Okay, so although I have in master policies, but for now let's create a new policy. Policy is basically a way to provide permission to this device. So I will, let's say we define an policy with name admin. Inside the admin we are kind of allow all those actions. So action would be connect, the device would be able to connect to AWS IoT Core, device would be able to publish to AWS IoT Core, receive, so sort of like that. So we are kind of allowing all the operations and on all the resources. So let's say you wanted to limit on topic, the device, this device should be able to publish on XYZ topic. So in that case you can use this policy resource, right? Let's create it. Then after, I think, use this admin policy, sorry my bad, we are here, we have to use this admin policy, create thing. Then after we do have device certificates, right? So now we have to download this device certificate first. Second, we have to download this public key, this private key, and then one of the Amazon .ca certificate. Sorry, my bad. I quickly clicked on the outside. So we have to download those four files. The first one is device certificate, public key, private key, and then after Amazon .ca one. Okay. So you can, once you have that, I think we are good to go. So let's go here. I think a thing is created. So let's quickly jump over to the Python script, how we can use that. Okay, so what I have done is, like, I already created a device and download all those certificates inside this cert directory, and then after I do have this class. Okay, so first of all we have client ID. So client ID would be any random string. Then after we have endpoint. So for endpoint, what you have to do, you have to just go to the console again, go to settings, and then after copy this endpoint. Okay, so this way you can, I think, use this endpoint. Then after we have to pass three file certificate. The first one is device certificate that you have downloaded, private file, and Amazon.ca certificate. Okay, once this is done, I think what I am doing is I am creating the object of class I have defined above, and then after using this publish message. Okay, so let's quickly see what I am doing inside this. So first of all, I am creating AWS IoT MQTT client object. In that I am passing endpoint, just configuring credentials by passing all those three files, and then after clicking, just connecting. Inside the publish message, whatever topic has been passed, we are using same topic, just stringify the messages, and then after QoS we have passed. So QoS is basically quality of service, so it could be 0 or 1. So like message would be delivered at most once, or at once, right? So this would be the difference. And then after, again, inside the subscribe, I think I am subscribing on a specific topic, and callback is like whenever a message, whenever we got a message on this topic, what we has to do. So we has to execute this xyz function. So xyz function would be passed here, right? So first of all, let's test this publish message. Okay, so how we are going to test this, like we are just publishing a message on topic 1. So what we will do, we will go to console, click on this MQTT test client. Inside this we can subscribe to topic or publish to a topic. Okay, so let's subscribe to a topic. The reason being is we are going to publish the data from Python script. Okay, so we have this here, so let's quickly run this. So I think this is run. So now you can see we got this data, right? Let's say we change this data to 40, right? So if we run it again, this is done. I think now we are able to see this message 40. Okay, so now we are going to see how we can subscribe to a topic, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm just uncomment this code. So what I have done, like I just defined a method callback that I am passing inside the callback. So whenever a message is received, it is going to call this callback and printing the message payload, right? So I'm going to run it. So if you see what we are doing, we are subscribing on topic 1. So first of all, we have to publish to this topic 1, right? So I will go here, publish to topic, use this topic 1 only. And then after hello from AWS IoT console demo video. Okay, I will change this message, publish this. So now you can see we have this demo video, right? If we change it again, demo video 1, we have this publish, we can subscribe. So in this way basically we can subscribe and publish to AWS IoT Core. So if you have any queries or comment, do post it down in the comment section, and if you have any feedback, please let me know. I will be happy to incorporate, and if it helps you, do consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you.